Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we are going to fix an issue of our PC. The issue which we are facing is that the network adapter is not working and we're gonna fix it. So let's start the video without any delay. So first of all, restart your device and after that run a network troubleshooter. This will help you to find and fix any other network problem. To run a network troubleshooter, open settings, go to system, scroll down and there you will find an option of troubleshoot. Click on this option, click on other troubleshoot. Here you will see an option of network and internet. Simply run the troubleshooter and at the end of it, your issue will be resolved. The next thing you can do is to reset the network adapters, and for that open settings, go to internet and network, click on advanced network setting, click on network reset and simply click on reset now. If these steps does not work, then reinstall the network adapter, and for that follow these steps. First of all, open device manager, right click on option of network adapters and click on the option of uninstall device. After the completion of uninstallation process, reboot your PC to get the driver reinstalled again, and after that update your device and drivers for latest network adapters. So I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.